Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, correct. Very good. Number 2, I will. This one. Yeah, that's it. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer needs information every day. Jennifer needs information every day. Information. She needs to know facts and details about her family and about the world. Now we can make a flashcard for information. Please make a flashcard like this. Write information up here in the top left corner, INFOR, MATION. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number, 79 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. In, for, may, shun, information. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob takes his hat off every day. Bob takes his hat off every day. Bob takes his hat off. First, he puts his hat on, and then he takes his hat off. Now we can make a flashcard for to take something off. Number 2, Bob takes off his hat is also correct. And if we are talking about his hat, we say this: he takes it off. So 3 forms are correct. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form is to take something off. The code down here, SPV1. This means separable phrasal verb, level 1. Number over here, 5 out of 8. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A. ABC. Take. Off. Take off. Game over. You did very well today. What does Jennifer need? Information. Very good. And I will take my hat off. Correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, a device. Yeah, a little thing. For example, a remote control. Number 2, I am a hotelier. a small hotel owner or manager. Number 3, O, to force somebody to do something. Please write your language on the other side. My name is Vinny from Canada.